Next question. In figure, AB is equal to AC and D is the midpoint of BC. Number 1. State the three pairs of equal parts in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Second one is triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Give reasons. Third one is angle B is equal to angle C. Solution. Coming to first one. Dear children, one thing you have to remember in congruence of triangles, on the basis of the figure, please don't try to decide parts of triangles. You should decide on the basis of the conditions what they are giving in the question. In this question, they have given AB is equal to AC and D is the midpoint of BC. Only you should think on the basis of these two conditions. But out of three conditions which we supposed to write, two we can get from the question itself. Only we have to think about third one. Let us start. In triangles ADB and ADC, AB is equal to AC. Because it is given AB of triangle ADB is equal to AC of triangle ADC. DB is equal to DC. DB is equal to DC. Because D is the midpoint of BC. They have given. Either you can write DB is equal to DC or BD is equal to CD. Please don't write BD is equal to DC. Of course, as a line segment, they are equal, but we are writing matching parts. So according to the triangle, we are supposed to write. And third one we are supposed to search. AD is common for both triangles. Therefore, we can write AD is equal to AD. Second one. Yes. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC because we have proved three pairs of matching parts. Means we have used SSS congruence rule. Third one, yes, angle B is equal to angle C. How can I say? When we have proved these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts must be equal. Therefore, we can write the reason C, P, C, T. What is this? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Next example. In figure, AC is equal to BD and AD is equal to BC. Number 1. State three pairs of equal parts in a triangle ABC and BAD. Second one. Is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD? Give reasons. Third one. Is angle C is equal to angle D? Why? Solution. First one. In triangles, whatever the triangle they have given, so that only we can write. ABC and BAD. AC of triangle ABC is equal to BD of triangle BAD. AC is equal to BD. Given. They have given AD is equal to BC. But first we are writing for a triangle ABC. That's why we can write BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. Again it is given. And AB of triangle ABC, AB is equal to AB is equal to AB for this triangle, BA for triangle BAD. AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA. What is the reason? Common side. This side is common for both triangles, triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Second one. Yes. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SSS congruence rule. Third one, yes, angle C is equal to angle D, because corresponding parts of congruent triangles. SAS congruence criteria, that is side angle side. Two triangles are said to be congruent if two sides and the angle included between them of one triangle, angle included between two sides, are equal to the corresponding two sides and the angle included between them. In figure, AB of triangle ABC is equal to PQ of triangle PQR. Angle B of triangle ABC is equal to angle Q of triangle PQR, and BC of triangle ABC is equal to QR of triangle PQR. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Example, in figure, AB is equal to AC and AD is the bisector of angle BAC. First one, state three pairs of equal parts in triangles ADB and ADC. Second one, is triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC? Give reasons. Third one, is angle B is equal to angle C? Give reasons. Solution. In triangles ADB and ADC, AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC. Which congruence condition we are using? SAS. So we have written first side. Given. Next, we supposed to get angle. Angle BAD. Angle BAD. BAD. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. How can you say? Because AD is the bisector of angle BAC. And AD is equal to AD. Common side. This is first one. Therefore, we can say yes, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by SAS congruence rule. Third one. Yes. Angle B is equal to angle C because corresponding chords of congruent triangles. Next example. In figure, AB and CD bisect each other at O. Number 1. State the three pairs of equal parts in two triangles AOC and BOD. Second one. Each triangle AOC is congruent to BOD. Give reasons. Third one. Is AC is equal to BD. Give reasons. Solution. First one. In triangles AOC and BOD, AO is equal to BO. AO is equal to BO. Because CD bisects AB, means CD divides AB into two equal parts. Next one is very important. What is that? angle. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. How can I say? They are equal. AOC is equal to BOD. Means these two angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. And OC is equal to OD. Because AB bisects CD. Second one, yes, triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD by SAS congruence rule or criteria. Third one, yes, AC is equal to BD, because when two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding parts will be equal. Corresponding parts of a congruent triangle.